If you are looking for a shampoo that does not dry out your hair, leaves your hair moisturized, then this video is for you. Let's make aloe vera bar soap for our hair. Get any kind of bathing soap and grate it or cut it into small pieces. Add it to a pot and here comes the grated soap. Add aloe vera juice to it. I then put it on fire on low heat and start stirring for some time. Continue stirring so that it will not stick under the pot. You stir and stir and stir and stir until all the grated soap or cut pieces of soap melt into the aloe vera juice. If you have watched till now, please like the video, subscribe, and also give me your thoughts about making your own shampoo for your hair in the comment section. At this stage, if you want your shampoo to be a cake shampoo, then this thickness is okay. But if you want it to be in a liquid form, then you have to add more of the aloe vera juice to it. For me, I wanted a cake soap, so I just added it to a bowl, those small bowls, and here comes my cake shampoo for my hair. I left it for some time, at least 12 hours or overnight, and then I unmold it. This is how your soap is, your shampoo is now. You can see it's not so dry. So let's see how it works on my hair. I saturate my hair with water. Mind you, I poo my hair with oil. So this is just me applying the shampoo to my hair, making sure there's water in my hair first before I added the bar soap. It lathers very well. It leaves my hair shiny, moisturized. It doesn't dry out my hair at all because of the aloe vera. Aloe vera balances the pH of your scalp and helps your hair to be moisturized at all times. It adds shine to my hair. So this is a shampoo you must try. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this shampoo. Look at the lather, very lathering. Doesn't dry out your hair, keeps my hair moisturized after shampooing. So this is a shampoo you must try on your own to avoid buying expensive shampoos that cause damage to your hair. If this video interests you, please do well to share to others. Bye.